Hey everyone, it's Dr. Michael Bruce, the Sleep Doctor here. Are you overwhelmed by the wellness movement? Are you confused by cold plunges, green drinks, and red lights? Today, I want to talk to you about a problem I see all too often in my practice and in society at large. Wellness has become too freaking complicated. I feel like we're constantly bombarded with the latest health trends, expensive products, and conflicting advice. It's kind of overwhelming, isn't it? And often, to be fair, it's ineffective. How many of us have bought into these trends only to find our Pelotons turning into clothes racks or pricey supplements never getting eaten or sitting on the shelf? One reason, you don't know where the starting line is for wellness. But what if I told you that real, lasting wellness doesn't have to be complicated? What if it all came down to just three simple things? Sleep, hydration, and breathing. These are what I call the dominoes of wellness. They're the foundation of health, the basics we often overlook in our pursuit for the next big thing. Most of us take these steps for granted. We assume we're doing them well enough because, well, we're alive, aren't we? But in today's fast-paced, technology-driven world, even these basics can get disruptive. When we optimize sleep, hydration, and breathing, it sets off a cascade of positive effects throughout your body and your life. It's like knocking down that first domino and then everything else starts to fall into place. Let's start with sleep since, of course, it's my favorite. Better sleep leads to more energy, clearer thinking, and even improved relationships. I've had patients tell me, who knew that sleeping better could get me a raise or maybe stop my divorce proceedings? Talk about some wellness. Then there's hydration. Proper hydration supports every bodily function and helps reduce inflammation, which we all keep hearing about. But here's the thing. Did you know 75% of Americans are chronically dehydrated? That has a huge impact on your health and well-being. And then there's breathing. Believe it or not, most of us don't breathe correctly. You might be sitting there saying, wait, how can that even be possible? Optimal breathing can lower stress, improve our mood, and boost our overall health. Yet that's something we do 1,000 times a day and rarely give any thought to. And here's the best part about focusing on these three areas. You don't need expensive gadgets. You don't need complicated routines. These are things you're already doing. I just need to fine-tune them a little bit. In my new book, Sleep, Drink, Breathe, Wellness is Too Complicated, I've provided the science behind each of these dominoes and practical ways to improve them. But don't worry, I'm not here to overwhelm you with a lot of complex medical stuff. My goal is to simplify, not complicate. For each domino, you're going to learn how to assess your current habits. For example, how well are you sleeping? Are you truly hydrated? Are you breathing efficiently? Once you have a baseline, then you can start to make small incremental improvements that are going to have a big effect over time. We're also going to troubleshoot a lot of common issues. Why can't you sleep? Why do you wake up feeling parched? Why do you feel short of breath after climbing a flight of stairs? Understanding these problems is the first step into solving them. Then we move on to optimization. I'll share the best methods in practice based on real science to help you establish new, healthier habits. And don't worry, these changes are designed to be easy and pleasant. You might even find yourself looking forward to them, believe it or not. The ultimate goal is to achieve what we call homeostasis, or a state of internal balance. I like to use the word body balance. This is where your bodily functions are at their best. When you're in body balance, you're more resilient to stress, have more energy, and are better equipped to fight off illness. I've distilled all of this information into a simple 3-week sleep, drink, breathe plan. It's designed to be easy to follow and implement in your daily life. We start with just a few simple changes and gradually add more as you go along. You'll likely notice improvements in your energy and mood literally almost immediately. This quick positive feedback actually helps keep you motivated to stick with the plan. And by focusing on these fundamentals, you'll likely find that other wellness goals become easier to achieve. You might start craving healthier foods, feel more motivated to exercise, or even handle stress better. You could even find yourself thinking more clearly and creatively. And by mastering these three basics, you're setting yourself up for better health and a more balanced life. In the book, I dive deep into each domino. You'll learn about the science behind sleep, hydration, and breathing, how they impact your body and mind. But more importantly, you'll get practical, actionable advice, how to optimize each area. Tactics, not strategy. You can read this book cover to cover or jump to the sections that interest you most. Maybe you feel you've got sleep down pat but struggle with hydration. That's fine. The book is designed to meet you where you are. At the end of the day, my goal is to simplify wellness for you, to cut through the BS and help you focus on what really matters. Because when you get the basics right, everything tends to fall into place. Thanks for joining me on this journey to simplify and improve your wellness. Together, we'll knock down those dominoes and set you on a path for better health. You do not need to be overwhelmed by wellness. Please order my new book, Sleep, Drink, Breathe, today.